Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is super weird. I'm freaking posting a Halloween video in April, but I've had this look since October and my hard drive actually broke, and now that we're in quarantine, I'm bored and just wanted to edit this video and finally post it. So this is my storm look, so let's just get started. So for this look, I'm using the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. I think I'm starting with some regular old bronzer, and I'm just putting that in the crease and under my eyes. Then I'm just taking the shade Monday, which is this nice brown color, and I'm lightly tapping that into the pan and then using that on my eye as well. I totally forgot to mention, if you guys don't follow me or subscribe to me, most of my looks, I have my base done already. I have videos of my everyday makeup tutorial. It's the same thing. Just next, I'm just taking the shade Mafia, which is the color right next to it. It's like a dark, really dark, almost black. I think it's black. Maybe it's black. I don't know. I'm tapping that on my lid for a nice smoky effect. And then I'm taking the previous brush that I just used to go ahead and blend that out. Also, I want to mention that this wig is actually from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It's fucking beautiful. Look at this hair. I think it's a 13 by 6 parting space wig. It looks so good. You could part it in the middle, on the side. It's fully, it looks fucking bomb, dude. Like, I love this wig. Oh my god. Next, I'm going ahead and I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. If you guys haven't tried it out, you should try it. And I'm just doing a wing. I have never done a eyeliner tutorial on this channel, even though I know I should, but I'm quickly doing a really dramatic wing on both sides and then going ahead and curling my lashes. Oh wait, what the hell? I'm using the shade Mega on my lids. It's this corner shade. It's like an iridescent purpley blue. It's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys need this palette. I love colorful palettes like this. And yeah, now I'm curling my eyelashes. You guys know the routine. Curling my eyelashes, putting on my Maybelline cat eye mascara. I believe that's what it's called. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes as normal. It's my Tease lashes by Lash Dreams. There's always a code down below if you guys want to save money. I actually don't make any money off of that code. It's literally just for you guys, so yeah. Alright, this is where I fucked up. My camera turns off every 30 minutes, so I started doing this smoky face effect with my eyeshadow and stuff, and it didn't film any of it. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that just by reenacting kind of what I did. So I'm using the eyeshadow. Which eyeshadow am I using? I think Mafia. I don't know. I'm using like a darkish eyeshadow, and I'm just making like little smoky spots all over my face by blending the brush, kind of patting the color off and then blending it out. Now with my Mehron Paradise Paint palette, I'm using the white color and I'm just making little storm lightning bolts thingamajiggies all over that little smoky effect that I did on my face. So this is like a cloud. The smoky part's like a cloud, and then these are obviously the little lightning bolt storm effect. So there's no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing these lightning bolts. I'm literally not looking at any pictures or anything. I'm just doing it freehand. It's actually really easy to do. This costume is super quick, and I had all of these things in my makeup collection already. You guys know I always use like the same products, but anyways, This look is really fucking easy to do, so totally recommend this costume. So now I'm just mixing up some browns to make a brown lipstick. I don't own any brown lipstick, so I just made my own, but if you guys have brown lipstick, just pop that on. I usually just mix my own colors and it's easier for me, more affordable. This mehron palette comes in handy. I love it. Now I'm just moving these effects down to my chest, doing the same thing with the eyeshadow and the lightning bolts. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this part.
Projectors. I guess we'll never know what Harvard gets us. But seeing my family have it all took the place of that desire for diplomas on the wall. And really, I think I like who I'm becoming. There's times where I might do it just to do it like it's nothing. There's times where I might blow like 50K on the
Next, I'm taking the shade Marine and I'm popping that in my inner corner and throughout the storm. That way it looks like a little bit electric, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know. The storm is iridescent, so that's that. That's what I'm doing. Next, I'm taking just some yellow eyeshadow. I'm taking the Manchester color in the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, and I am just tapping some of that onto the lightning parts. That way some of it looks more yellow. And then after this, my look is finished. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know it's super random, I'm posting it in April, but yeah, this is the final look. Super easy, pretty glam for Halloween. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.